How to buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. Open the Phantom Wallet app on your phone. Once you're in the app, look for the buy button on the main screen and tap on it. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies. Find and tap on Solana because we'll use Solana to buy the meme coins. Type in the amount of Solana you want to buy. Tap on Next to move to the next step. Now, you need to choose how you want to pay for the Solana. You can pick either MoonPay or Coinbase Pay. These are options that Phantom Wallet provides to make it easy to pay for your purchase. Once you've bought your Solana, go back to the main screen. Look for the swap button and tap on it. In the swap menu, you'll see a button that says Select Token. Tap on it to choose the meme coin you want to buy. Search for the meme coin you're interested in or scroll down until you see it. When you find it, tap on its name. Enter how much Solana you want to exchange for the meme coin. Tap on Review Order to check everything over. Make sure the details are correct. If they are, tap to confirm and complete your swap. And there you have it. You've just learned how to buy Solana meme coins using the Phantom Wallet. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more guides. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.